So let's do this, that, and that. And then we're going to bring this. Let's do just like that. We're actually going to do it with blue because we've used a lot of yellow. And then give me 1 second. Computer's trying to update right in the middle of recording. So I gotta pause it. I don't want to do that. Alright, there we go. Whoops. Just got rid of the only one that I actually needed there. We're going to go all the way to the ground with this. And this will even probably go out into the water out there, which is fine. And then we'll cover the outside of it up. Just like that. And I think what I'm going to do too is go with another layer on top of the blue. So that way it looks a little bit thicker. Let's look at that. And I like how it kind of contrasts. I got the blue on the outside and yellow on the inside. And then on this, I got the yellow on the outside and blue on the inside. And then I'm going to do the same thing down here. Just like that. Damn it. Get placed. Good job. Alright. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Alright. That's done. Oh, wait a minute. How'd I miss you? There we go. Did I miss any others? I guess not. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. Alright, well let's get a look at this thing at nighttime. I think it looks pretty good. Everything turned out really good. I like it. And then the last thing to do, and I want to do this out of... do it out of this. I want a platform. Then, yeah, so you can get on it just like that. We'll do... Yep, just like that. I like it. And then we'll come out with this to about there. About there. Fill it in real quick. It definitely needs some kind of canopy. Don't want anybody falling off of here. Wait a minute. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm okay with it being uneven. There's 6 right there. I actually like that idea. No, I don't. Because I'm going to have the line coming up this side, but I do want it still even. Because you got to have a building right here for the control panel for the Ferris wheel. So we're going to go just like that. And then keep with the theme of blue and yellow. We'll do just like this. Door right there. And this whole building is going to be yellow except for I'm going to make a blue roof. And I can't have it going out that far. So we'll do it like that. I still don't like that. So we'll bring this whole thing out one more. Just like that. I don't know what is up with this. It can't be the storm that's doing this, but for some reason the controller is not shutting off, but it's disconnecting from the Xbox, and it just started a few minutes ago. So I don't know what it is. Keep the door there again. In fact, this whole side's going to be a window. And then blue roof. And then we'll use glass panes. go ahead and fill this in right here. Just like that. No, don't want it touching that, so we'll just do it to there. Alright. And then there's going to be stairs that come up. Do 2 wide stairs. And that's going to come in, do a gate right there for the employees. And the line, nope, don't need a gate. Just like that. So they come up and then let's go ahead and do this 2 wide. Okay, so far I'm not liking, I want the line to come out like this. Where you come in straight right here. Probably move this gate. No, keep a gate there. And put a gate here. Let's do this real quick. So adding that kind of messed us up just a bit. But nothing to say that this has to be even, right? This platform didn't have to be even. And then let's do stairs going up to it. Probably won't keep that yellow there, but and then from there like I said, I did want a canopy over top of the stairs. Well, no. Actually, I like it just like that. Do need a door in here. Hey, I need to finish this window too. So we'll put a door on here. Then let's see, from here, this is where we can use stuff like this. There we go. Want that. And then we use a block of iron. And gotta get our wood back. Then you won't be able to see that from the bottom. I'll close that off. Is that not gonna... Not gonna go through it. Maybe that. I know this has to go through there. Or not. It doesn't have to. Whatever. And we'll use... Didn't mean to break that. A lever. Right there. Ooh, there we go. I do like that. So what we'll do is this. We'll change that around just a bit to where this is right there. Switch right there so they can just see that it's loaded up. Turn it on. And it's going. Theoretically. Alright, well that's the... Looks like we got a first customer. Got a sheep going on there. There's the Ferris wheel. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already done so. For more tutorials on how to build stuff like this and for further builds on Zen City. And like I said, hope you guys enjoyed this. See you next time. Hope you enjoyed that last video. If you did, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for more. Alright, the box on the left will take you to my channel, and the box on the right will give you a random video. Be sure to like me on Facebook for news and updates, and follow me on Twitter, even though I never use it. Like and share with your friends, and thanks for watching.